Hey guys, welcome back. This is Fitness Tech Solutions, and today I'm going to teach you how to pull out the motion tracking effect in Filmora. Let's get along. First of all, I got a video that I want to track. Let's track this lady's head over here. Okay, now the lady's head is here. Just want to track it. Now, for us to track, you just have to drag it down to the timeline. Whether you put it match the media or keep project setting, whatever. When you want to track an object and you want to use an element from Filmora, there are things you have to know about it. First of all, go check the element you want to put. Let's put an energy up on our head. So let's just drag it to timeline and let's see if we can extend it till the end of the video. But it doesn't extend. So there are things you have to do. So you just have to keep on dragging it down till where you want to stop tracking. So wherever you want to cut off, you can just cut off. Now we can see this. The footage is split at different locations. So at this point, another energy hub is being used, so you can just cut it so it just match with it. You come over here again where the energy hub ends. Now you are able to cut throughout the video. Now just for you to do is just to resize this energy hub to the head where you want to track. Just keep on resizing, try as much as possible for it to be the same size. Now we have been able to do that. So first, next thing, we're just going to lock this timeline and disable this visibility. Now we just have to select on each of the splitted footage when we want to track it. So you just come over here and click on motion tracking, or you right click on the footage, then look for motion tracking, which is Alt plus X. So motion tracking. So you just come over here, resize this thing on where you want to track. Okay, then start tracking. That's tracked it throughout the end of that splitted footage. So you just have to come here, then click on energy hub. Because I lock this in and I disable the visibility, you don't see the energy hub. Now let's just release it. Now we can see the energy hub is following it. So for just have to keep on doing it for us to track it throughout the whole footage. Then just disable the visibility of this footage of the energy hub, then keep on resizing. Now we have been able to track it throughout the object. Now you just have to release this and come over here. When you want to add the energy up to, you just click on this and then energy up. For you to see the energy up there, you just have to bring the energy up above the footage you want to track. Just have to do for that for each and every one of them. Now it will go around the video. You notice that the energy of kind of got smaller. But I told you that you should be careful about the size if you want to prevent things like this. Okay, let's say that the footage you want to track is very long and you cannot just keep on splitting it. I got something that you can do. Let me just rip this one apart. Wait. And you want to use an energy hub. Okay, now this one, let's try another element. Let's try a wing. Okay, this new wings. I got the footage here, and surely it can't go around throughout the whole video. So I got something you can do. And trying to extend it, it doesn't extend. So you're just going to copy this footage and keep on pasting till we are kind of satisfied with the length of the video. Now I just have to go back to the media, then check the length of the footage. I got like 29 seconds, 29 seconds, 23 milliseconds. So 29 seconds, how you're tracking? 29. Okay, this one is 30. You can just adjust it later. Okay, now, is it? Okay, now I was able to get it to 29 seconds, 23 seconds. Also here, 29 seconds, 23 milliseconds. Now just you can just export this video. When you export it or just bounce it, you export it, right? If you're asking why did I split the footage, just to prevent reemergence of the wing. You notice at every start it will reemerge. Just prevent it reemerging and just keep it flying, flapping. That's why I split the footage. So find target. You can just drag it to the timeline, copy. Now I can just get rid of this one. Yeah, the two are the same thing. You put the edit, then drag it onto the second footage, then bring this one down. Then let's track a back. You notice that the back someone can get a wing. So let's track a back, motion tracking, then click on the footage, select motion tracking, let's track a back. The reason why we are having it deviate is because of the camera movement, and the male and the female seem to be wearing the same type of hoodie, the same type and color of hoodie. So that's why it's always good to differentiate colors when you're making camera moves. Now you can just attach the wing to wherever it's going to stop tracking it. Okay, now we have attached the wings. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I disabled the visibility. Let's see this. Okay, now for this thing now, we have it's tracking it perfectly, but you can do something about it, just like green screen. Just click on the footage, chroma key, then click on this picker tool, then just click on the select black. It's going to eliminate the black that are there. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, now we have been able to track an object in Filmora 10 using motion tracking.